Okay, so it's like 5:30 in the morning now. We went to check out our Airbnb and then we're into the airport to catch our 9 AM flight. Quickly want to show around the Airbnb. This is a kitchen, fully functioning kitchen, 1 toilet, 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet. And a sofa bed. Hi James. Situated right in the very convenient spot in the city so that we can actually walk around everywhere, very convenient place, and the host is really nice. So yeah, really nice place. What do you call this place? 32 Linam Day, located on Airbnb. Good morning, Vietnam. So we are on our way back to Malaysia now. Just checked in our luggage at KLA. It's a KLA. Pula KLA. We are at the Hanoi International Airport. I don't know what it's called. Nobai International Airport. Yeah, basically it's been a great trip, and here are just some of the pointers that we picked up over the 5 days that we were here. So one lesson that I learned was that you should change your USD to dong, because actually people here accept dong a lot more than they accept USD. Yeah, so moving on to Irene.
Oh, okay, cool. So if you're traveling in a large group, definitely download the app called Splitwise. We've been using it the entire trip, and like one person pays and then everybody just splits it up accordingly. And really cool because you can split according to like percentages, amount of shares, direct amounts. It's really useful, so check it out.
Hashtag not sponsored. Your turn.
If you are thinking of traveling in the city and you are tired of walking, definitely take a Grab. It saves time and it's super cheap.
Okay, moving on. It's very important that you always find enough check-in luggage space, or you need to always pack light. What will happen? You end up like there. Oh, James. Hey. Yeah, he's probably lining up because he needs to
He needs to pay 40 USD for luggage.
Oh no! Terrible. And yeah, so that's a quick 4 lessons that we learned in Hanoi. So thank you, Hanoi.
This is it, guys. Our final day here in Hanoi. It's been a good past 5 days. Really tired. It's 8:24 now in Hanoi time, and we'll be reaching KL at about 1. I would recommend everybody to come to Hanoi because it's an amazing place for good architecture, good food, cheap beer, and a good time for scenic view. See you. Guys, my lesson for this trip: never buy flight at freaking 6 AM. Like our flight in was 6 AM. We had to be in the airport by 3. Take a Grab. We Grab super reliable at 2 AM. But we had to take a Grab at 2 AM. So please, if you can afford a few hundred ringgit, buy later flights. You won't regret it.
And that's it for our trip for Hanoi. We're gonna board the plane now. And yeah, first off, I want to thank Canon Malaysia for lending me the Canon EOS R. Wherever you see it, where everything you see right here is filmed on the camera. And hopefully the pictures will turn out great. I'll probably show a few here, and here. Anyways, yeah, so to the next trip, we'll see you there. Bye you guys, say bye. Bye.
See you again.